Hey guys, I am going to take you out to my trailer. I noticed that I had 300 followers on my Funny Valentine page, so I'm doing a little celebration video. We got our first snow today. Look how pretty this is though. It's pretty covered. So let's go inside here. I redecorated it. I'm not turning it around because I just finished working out. But so I wanted to take you in and show you my fall theme. I don't even think I ever properly showed it last year. So one thing I do want to tell you, I had oops. I don't know if you can see these spots. I had used regular that foamy mounting tape for the spiders for my Harry Potter theme. Well, it took off the surface, so don't do that. Use command strips, not the regular mounting tape. So I have to figure out how to fix that. Okay, anyway, so here I got the quilt on. This is one I made last year. This is my In the Woods Hansel and Gretel theme, little dolls that go with the fabric. This fabric is just too fun. So of course I've collected some antiques or vintage things from the Goodwill. My favorite lamp that I keep using. My little German porcupine characters. Found a little wooden log cabin at Goodwill. That was one of my newer finds, this cookie jar, acorn shaped. So I had a lot of fun with this theme. I really didn't have it in here for very long last year. My other favorite vintage canisters there. And I did find myself a cute little rustic looking gingerbread house cookie jar. And these fun plates. It's amazing what you can find at Goodwill. I found these plates. They're like log cabins and some acorn salt and peppers and a Hummel. I think it's what is it? Hummel? The Hansel and Gretel. So, I left my Harry Potter scarf in here. I'll have to take it out. I do keep it warm in here. I have my heater. Electrician told me it's safe as long as I keep it on the lowest setting. So I come out here. It's about 63 in here probably. Comfortable for coming out to visit and hang out for a little bit. One of my vintage finds at the flea market. The Hansel and Gretel box, lunch box. And my pine cones. But I left this in here. That was from my Harry Potter theme. But I think I need to find a few more accents. And I also need to peel those off and fix the surface and hang some stuff back up there. But I hope you enjoyed my little tour. My cute little dolls. I think I just want to take a nap out here. It's a little chilly though for that. But alright, there's my fall theme.